One pump down here. I got a prime example of the weekend. Oh, my hat's crooked. And the glasses. There we go. Better? All right. Back to it. Prime example of when weekend work and after hours work, which is a side hustle kind of thing, interferes with a day job kind of mess. So we got the new 080 down here ripping trucks apart, and I got to go on a little mini truck and run. I'm going to pick up a flatbed for a gentleman up north. And well, I'd like to take the little buddy, and I got the Monster Lee on it. I was hoping to drop the Monster Lee off today, but scheduling conflict didn't work out, and I was feeling optimistic the other day, so I feel if I was just going to move it out of its parking spot back there, might as well just put it on the trailer with the other stuff that needed to go to get that one dropped off. But scheduling conflict, and we need the little buddy again. Yeah, I could take the big gooseneck, but I got hour and a half, maybe 2 hour each way, and highway kind of stuff, and I don't need the full trailer. I don't need a gooseneck. That's why I got the little buddy. We're just picking up a 60 cab to axle flatbed skirted, so we got to unload this rig right now and shoot. Had her all prepped.
Children running in the hall. I went looking for the reasons in the darkness. Could I really be that kind of man? And I think that I was taking you for granted. I'm afraid that might be who I am. Well, I came here to explain, but the car broke down again, and I walked home just to falling all to pieces. I guess you never knew the hole I fell into, but it got its teeth in me and it won't let go. I thought I was something pretty special. I guess that's how you think when you're so young.
Yeah. Beautiful. Bring it on. Check out this rig. Slide axle. That thing's pretty thick. Well, these guys seem like they got a pretty cool setup around here. Glenn. Even last one cut their name in on this neat. You ready to go? Had to stop and grab some food to eat. We're going back way down there by the moose. And we got to flip a U because we got to go down that stoplight and hit the road going back that way. You trying to get in over there, old son? There you go. I'll open it for you. I already checked the straps before we went in and grabbed something to eat. Got up at 5, so figure better fuel up the old body. The only crappy spot was this. Kind of got a little close here, so I got the strap behind it. But she's good to go. Put this one back there. Safety measure. It's the updated Porta cable. Make straps. I wouldn't say the toolboxes are too small. I got carpet in them. I think they're bigger than those ones. Yeah. Oh, the back ones are definitely smaller though. Probably 2/3 the size on the back. But overall, this is a pretty nice bed. There's not really too much to complain about. The Goose probably could use a little bit of reinforcement. It's kind of crudely put in there, but for the most part, pretty nice bed. My straps didn't fit in the trailer, so they let me use the service truck to ground them. Little nipples, where'd the pieces go? I always appreciate Global and Jim. We had a new resaw got dropped off here. Luckily, we had them bring it here because it was on a 53-foot tall deck. So they just unloaded it with the forklift. Made life a lot easier to swing in through when we had time. And yeah, we blocked up the whole parking lot here. Oh, look, the sign's still there. Yeah, boy. We look good. Big Larry. So this is a resaw. Take slabs out of sawmill, put them into this thing, take sides off. Anyway, it is actually a trailer. Looks like they put a new hitch on it. And this thing came from out of the country and was trailered, as in trailered, not towed, down here. And well, we didn't know the condition of the tires, but yeah, no, we were gonna drop this thing off at my house and Haas was just gonna tow it home, 15 minutes. But then we saw the tires and thought, you know what, it's got nice rims, but nope, gonna tow it all the way up here. Hence why we took the Goose down there. The little buddy trailer would have worked, no problem, but I got cargo on that thing. For some reason, that little buddy's a hot commodity trailer lately. So I'm just going to drop the tail down. He's going to get the little tractor, hook onto it, escort it right on out of here. Yeah, what I tell you about them tires. Go down a little bit. I don't know why you don't listen. Well, I'm glad we didn't, just go down there with the truck and expect to tow it home. Those tires are clearly not good.
Well, if we had one brand new tire, we couldn't even make it back.
Yeah. Lights might work. Got the magnetic lights, but oh well. It's just a lot easier to hook onto this thing, even though this trailer's slightly overkill and pretty heavy to tote down there, but done deal. Didn't move. Perfect. Glad I got this trailer. Just I was gonna get it a 20-footer, which wouldn't quite have enough room to fit these flatbeds up on the front. Makes them ride really nice when you got it up there like that. Not extreme amount of tongue weight, but enough. Video comparing this CM skirted bed to that skirted bed and just the other flatbeds that I got. So I'm actually getting quite a collection of them. This bed's not for me. This is for Ferguson up in Washington. He hit me up and asked me if I go snag on it. And he's a cargo container guy, but he's a Cornell, so his friends list checks out, kinda. So I said I'd go pick it up for him. But the boxes are simpler and nice. I like it. I like how the recessed, but smooth on the outside. Dual fuel. This one, it's got the slide, so you don't have, that's more of a trucker kind of a deal, I think, rather than a construction outfit kind of a deal. I like this. I think it's pretty cool, actually, to have that gutter in the middle, but I like to be able to put skid steer attachments and stuff on here. They said this bed's only got about 7,000 miles on it, and I'm guessing they did not grease that thing one single time. From what I'm seeing so far, if the paint holds up, this is an awesome bed, because I've heard hit and miss kind of deals with CM about their paint jobs just falling off. This one's a little too early on to tell. Headache rack. Oh man, it's chrome. This is a fancy bed. Pretty stout. Mission, but I think I've been wanting to do something like this. Add a little bit of diamond plate to my truck. If you guys don't know what, this is just my daily. It's just nice to tow with the 3500. Gear ratio is a little bit more favorable to the highway, and it rides a little bit nicer than the 55s. But if you're new to the channel, I'll go show you that truck real quick. But it would be nice to have something to break up the black on the Easy right there.
Hold it.
It's like a hardcore headache wreck.